Today I'm going to do something with some bold graphic marks on my index card. I wanted to stick these all together, but I decided that I'm going to make extras because I could use them in other art. I have some golden bone black, I have a paintbrush, and I have some water over here. And all I'm going to do is start making big bold strokes. I want the graphic part of it, and I don't want it to be perfect, so I'm just going to play and see what I come up with. I'm going to use one of these as my index card for my actual work today. I'm going to pick one of the white ones. I'm going to color them maybe with some watercolor. You can't tell, maybe you can tell this is a 3, but you can't tell what anything else is. You know, it's a mystery. And I'm a girl who loves the mystery. Ooh, I like this one. I'm going to do that one. I have my Kuretake watercolors. You don't want to make your brush too wet. I'm going to call this bold graphics, and that's my day 5 art.